hop back in.
Yeah, I have the old GoPro on a tripod. Or good morning YouTube, or good afternoon, or good evening. So yeah, today let's do this. Let's swap out the cluster, one with a tach. This is actually an automatic EX. You can see, you can kind of make out right there. And all we really did was had my son Sharpie the indicators black, so that way it covers it up. Yeah, I don't have a manual one, so let's go ahead and replace this. Is what we have, which is a DX. It's gonna have two screws here and here and one behind here. So let's start off by taking this off. Let's see, I'm gonna have to put you guys down because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so we got it out. There's a screw right there and the two screws up there, and then you just kind of pry it out. So now we got to take off 4 screws on each side. This car's been sitting a while. Okay folks, I got it plugged in, I just didn't quite button it up because let's make sure it works, right? Because this panel is really hard to get off, so make sure it's in neutral. Let's start it. All right, so far all the lights. Okay, an update. So the gas gauge worked because it moved. I know it's low on fuel. Temperature gauge worked. Tachometer works. So you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and drive this around the block real quick. Make sure that the speedometer works, which we don't really care, right? But yeah, let's just make sure. Okay, there you have it, folks. Got everything put back together. Gauges work, everything works on it. So now we have a tach. I mean, you can see it, but you can hardly see it, you know. So yeah, this was an automatic cluster, which I don't really care. I really just wanted a tach. But yeah, so there you go. Till next time.